Hi, welcome to online presentation about cloud computing. My name is Véronique Trigan. Today I'm going to start by showing you what the cloud computing is about, and then we'll go further into the discussion. The cloud computing, it allows you to store your data onto remote servers. So the servers that hold your data is securely stored in a dedicated area. You have remote access to your information at all times. It also allows you to access your information through your own personal computer if you want it. One of the good things that brings with the cloud computing is you have great security. Because they're locked, the servers are into a secured area, you have secure environment that is protected from natural disaster, for example, fire, floods, storms. It's also a highly secure access to your equipment and data, so against theft and robbery. We have daily backups and redundant servers, so it helps you against data loss. And power outage, there's also multiple generators. If ever there's a power outage where your server is being kept, there's always generators to pick up on that. And it's the same for the internet connection. If one of the connection is lost, then we have multiple connections, so you'll always have the internet access. Who is the cloud computing designed for? So it's basically for small businesses, multi-site companies, large companies. The cloud computing lets all kind of companies work with the most recent and most powerful technology. When it comes to small businesses, for example, it allows them to work with resources that might otherwise not be too expensive to acquire, be too complex. When it comes to multi-site companies, each user benefits from the same connection speed and the quality. And for large companies, it can continually work with the most powerful servers and therefore avoid problems due to lack of memory. The cloud comes with the comprehensive SaaS, which is software as a service. Here is a graphic that defines what is the managed by the merchant or managed by OGC or the cloud computing partner. So what you'll see in blue is what we're going to do for you, the OGC and computing partner, and what's in gray will be managed by the merchant. So basically the only thing you have to take care of would be your workstations. Everything when it comes to application, database, operating system, virtualization or networks, this is all taken care and being managed by us. To show you a bit how it works for the cloud, here's a graphic that explains on-site how it's set up. So you have your server on-site with your users connected to it, and then this is connected to internet. It does involve a bit of risk, investment, and you also have to do update management, so have someone doing all that maintenance on your server as well. Versus a virtual hosting, it's a secure network. It's also spread out to be monthly payments, and then you always have the latest technology. So the setup, your server is an environment protected against natural disaster and theft, which therefore is connected through internet, and then your users are connected to internet to access to that server. Again, there's multiple internet connections, so if one of them drops to the server, there's another one that will pick up on it and you won't feel anything from it. The cloud computing, you're going to hear a lot more about it in the future. It's a solution that's becoming more and more known on the market. It allows you also to pay according to your needs, spread your investments over multiple payments. You're going to see operating expenses versus acquisition cost. You're freeing yourself from having to maintain your IT resources. It also provides you great security for your data and always works with the most powerful technology. Here's a couple of questions if you want to know if the cloud computing is right for you. Some questions to ask yourself is who is responsible for conducting regular maintenance on your server and IT equipment? How much do you invest in upgrading your software and IT infrastructures? And if your equipment is a secure area that is well maintained, could it be moved or unplugged by accident? all these questions are good just to figure out if this is good for you as well. If you, although have more questions, please feel free to give us a call, or you can also check out on our website. We have a bit more information about this product, and thank you very much.